Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of turning off your subscription in AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Begin by clicking on your account name located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open your account options. From the menu that appears, select My Account. This section contains all your account-related settings and information. In the My Account section, find and click on the Billing option. This will take you to the page where you can manage your subscription details. On the billing page, you'll see your current subscription plan displayed. This section provides an overview of your payment details and subscription status. To find the option to cancel your subscription, scroll down to the bottom of the page. This is where the cancellation option is typically located. At the bottom, look for the option that says Turn Off Subscription. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. After clicking, follow any additional prompts to confirm that you want to turn off your subscription. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message. And that's it. You have successfully turned off your account subscription. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.